Everyone, it's Janine here, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to find the horizontal asymptote of a rational function. So a rational function is a function that can be written as a ratio of two polynomials. So here we have f of x is equal to p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are two polynomials, and the degree of a polynomial is the value of its highest exponent. So here we have 3x squared plus 5x plus 1, and our highest exponent is this 2 on this x squared term here. So here we have a polynomial of degree 2. And next, let's go over the three different cases that we can have when we're trying to find the horizontal asymptote of a rational function. So in this first case, we have the degree of the bottom is greater than the degree of the top. And so in this case, our horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 0. And an example of this case is the function 3x over x squared plus 1. We can see here that the degree on the bottom is 2 and the degree on top is 1. So we have a case of the degree of the bottom being greater than the degree on the top, which means that our horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 0. In the second case here, we have the degree of the bottom equal to the degree of the top. So in this case, the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to the ratio of the leading coefficients. So an example of this case here is the function 2x squared plus 5 over 5x squared plus 1. So here we can see in the denominator that we have a polynomial of degree 2, and in the numerator we also have a polynomial of degree 2. So here the degree of the bottom is equal to the degree of the top, which means that our horizontal asymptote is equal to the ratio of our leading coefficients. So in the numerator, our leading coefficient is 2, and in our denominator, our leading coefficient is equal to 5. So our horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 2/5. And in this third case here, we have the degree of the bottom is less than the degree of the top. And in this case, we don't have a horizontal asymptote. And an example of this case is the function x to the 5th plus 1 over x squared. So here we can see that in the denominator we have a polynomial of degree 2, and in the numerator we have a polynomial of degree 5. So we can see here that the degree of the bottom is less than the degree of the top, which means that we have no horizontal asymptote. And so that is how you find the horizontal asymptote of a rational function. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.